Welcome back to some breaking inputs. We are tracking Bhavtosh Singh and Nilashish both with us to tell us more about the supplementary charge sheet filed by the CBI in the Liquorgate case. According to this, and Bhavtosh, I want to come to you first. The charge is stunning. It says that Sisodia manufactured public opinion to tweak policy.
Yes, Pranesh, in fact, the charge sheet that has been filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation makes some very startling claims against Manish Sisodia. Remember, he was arrested in February by the Federal Probe Agency, and in the charge sheet, they claim that he gave a handwritten note to the chairman of Delhi Minority Commission, and the handwritten note basically said that the interns of Delhi Minority Commission will have to generate opinion so that those opinion can be incorporated in the excise policy. Now, these are the claims of CBI, and these claims have to in fact withstand in the court of law. They claim that exactly these pointers then came in the excise policy, then excise policy 2021-22. They said that interns were actually the public opinion that were incorporated in the expert committee. Pranesh, it further goes to say that the legal opinion of some experts of the field, in fact some senior advocate as well as jurists, their opinion was not carried, and that was not mentioned in the cabinet note. That particular cabinet note is still missing, and the CBI in fact gave a notice to the CM's camp office as well as to the excise department and also to the finance department, and that cabinet note was not even traced, and it is still untraceable. Importantly, they said that in absence of that cabinet note, another cabinet note was generated which only contained the public opinion. Now, what CBI is saying that the public opinion was nothing but the opinion that was in a way artificially generated at the behest of Manish Sisodia, though these charges have been completely denied and debunked by Aam Aadmi Party.
Right, Bhavtosh, stay with us. Nilashish also with us. Nilashish, as someone who's tracked this case closely, what does this mean for Manish Sisodia?
Well, as far as the case is concerned, of course, now Manish Sisodia has been asked to be produced on the next date of hearing, given that cognizance of the charge sheet has been taken. Now, accordingly, in the next stage, there will be a denial or acceptance as far as the charges are concerned, and thereafter, the case can move forward with regard to the CBI in this particular case. And as far as the ED is concerned, there's another matter with regard to the ED, wherein on Monday, in fact, on the 30th rather, court will look into that. But as far as the CBI is concerned, with the charge sheet in place, the CBI will have to inform whether there is another supplementary that charge sheet that is being looked into, whether their investigation is complete vis-a-vis Manish Sisodia or not, and thereafter the case can move to the stage of trial. However, as of now, Manish Sisodia continues to be in Tihar jail, and as far as the charge sheet is concerned, the charges are concerned, the investigation details are concerned, as we're breaking it down for our viewers, the charges are very, very grave. Very significant aspects have been put out in the charge sheet by the CBI. But as far as the legal procedure is concerned, after this, on the 2nd of June, Manish Sisodia, along with the other 3 accused, will be produced before the court, and thereafter they will seek whether or not they accept or deny certain claims, and moving forward, that is in accordance with that, the investigation will be framed, after which the trial shall begin.
Right. We'll wait for the trial to begin. But Bhavtosh, as someone who's seeking bail, Mr. Sisodia's case gets difficult, doesn't it, now that the supplementary charge sheet has been filed and the court has taken cognizance of it?
Well, within 60 days, CBI has filed its charge sheet, and the Prevention of Corruption Act does mention that if the offence, the punishment of an offence less than 7 years is given, then a charge sheet has to be filed within 60 days. His counsels have said that because the trial investigation against Sisodia is over, then he should be given bail. CBI has said that it's possible that he might influence witnesses, and that's the reason why bail should not be given. But importantly, in this charge sheet, Pranesh, one important point that CBI has mentioned, they have said that the probe continues because they are looking at the possibility that same modus operandi could have been used by the excise officials in Punjab, where one of the liquor manufacturer, Mahadev Liquor, they had to in fact surrender their liquor license. Now, CBI said that while the probe against Manish Sisodia is over, the probe in the excise scam is still going on. They are looking at the possibility of carrying out investigation in Punjab. So it's still not over as far as the CBI is concerned, as we have already seen that few days back, Enforcement Directorate had carried out some searches at people said to be close to Sanjay Singh. Though Sanjay Singh completely rubbished all the claims that were being leveled by Bharatiya Janata Party as well as by the Enforcement Directorate.
Let's see how this case unfolds. Bhavtosh and Nilashish, thank you for joining us with your inputs. With that.